Number 5. XG7 RGB GPU Water Block. Unlock your RTX 2080's true potential with custom cooling for your graphics card. Precision CNC cut nickel-plated copper construction with more than 50 high-density cooling fins positioned over the GPU maximizes thermal transfer and surface area, for lower temperatures and maximum performance. Premium total conversion design cools not just the GPU, but your graphics card's memory and VRM as well, all clad in a clean and stylish aluminum casing. Includes a full-length aluminum backplate to completely cover your graphics card's PCB and protect sensitive components. 16 RGB LEDs integrated directly into the GPU block provide vibrant customizable RGB lighting when combined with a Corsair Lighting Node Pro or Commander Pro. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Fintex Glacier G2080 T-Strix GPU Full Water Block. Full cover water block custom designed for the Asus RTX 2080 and RTX 2080 T-Strix cards. 100% copper cold plate brings a higher level of thermal capacity. High flow engineering reduces flow resistance for outstanding cooling performance. Central flow focused directly on the GPU chip. Tailored V-Dyne rubber sealing. Proven in the automotive and aerospace industries. Improved durability, resistant to wear and tear during installation or over-tightening. Resistant to extreme temperatures and aggressive fluids. Compatible with Fintex digital RGB equipped cases, with the Fintex digital RGB controller. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. EKWB Eco-Vector RTX 3 2080 GPU Water Block. The Eco-Vector RTX 3 RGB, Copper Plus Plexi High Performance Water Block is specially designed for multiple NVIDIA GeForce RTX Turing-based graphics cards. Directly cools the GPU, RAM and the VRM, voltage regulation module, as cooling liquid is channeled directly over these critical areas. Features a redesigned cooling engine that has a larger footprint compared to the previous generation of EC full cover water blocks. Features a unique aesthetic cover over the block terminal which is designed to reveal the graphics card model, visible from the side. The base of the block is CNC machined out of electrolytic copper while the top is CNC machined out of high quality acrylic. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. EVGA Hydro Copper Water Block. Compatible with all GeForce RTX 2080 graphics cards built on a reference PCB. Integrated internal pressure points automatically ensures an even fit across the card to provide the best cooling to all components. RGB LED control through EVGA Precision X1. Don't sacrifice style when changing your cooler. High flow liquid design. Internal high flow liquid paths allow for coolant to get in and get heat out as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Compatible with all GeForce RTX 2080 graphics cards built on a reference PCB. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Bits Power Load'n VGA Water Block. Bits Power Load'n VGA Water Block for Asus ROG Strix GeForce RTX 20 series. Desktop computer water cooling systems. Weight, 2.92 pounds. High quality copper material. Asus source sync controlling. Please check the description for details and best price.